Okay, got a nice chopper rolling in there. Harley Davidson. Gorgeous bike. Think she's nipped off the bar or... Oh wait. Yeah, I think she's gone to the bar, try to get us a can of pop or something each. Because it's honestly so hot. I think the bus has got himself a bit stuck as well. And I'll put... Oh. Chevy coming. There you go. Nice black Chevy. Some real nice stuff gonna be rolling into taste. See you in a minute. And as the Chevy rolls in, looks like another car's coming out. Looks as well like because of all this going on, there's been a bit of like a road diversion put in for the buses, which isn't really a good road diversion. Not sure what's going on with the red Mustang, whether it's coming out or whether he's saying bye to his friends. I'll pause you till he starts moving again, shall I? So you've got a nice Harley coming in. There he goes. And a light yellow Corvette coming up in a minute. Gorgeous car. Pretty low to the ground as well. I imagine it could be quite uncomfy, but still a gorgeous car. And an Isuzu pickup truck, possibly cruising around looking for a repo job. Put you on pause, Sue's got to drinks. Gorgeous red Mustang coming out now. I'm not sure how today's gonna work because I'm gonna be here for quite some time and Dad wants to go to market. Dad can go to market. Oh, I ain't. So you've got a red Mustang rolling out now. As well as the BMW X6 that's rolling out, I think. That's a red Mustang. And of course the police have parked up right up the top there, so you can't have any fun, they can't do burnouts or anything. There's a nice Harley coming. And I've gone the other way. Yeah, the police are good. They're probably there to like make sure no one does act stupid, but I mean, that's part of the fun. Like, you leave the show, do a burnout, wave a bit. Part of the fun of a car show, ain't it? another glorious car coming in. Two of them. You got this beautiful Chevy Camaro Z26 and that one as well. And a proper old sort of camper fan who's nearly just ran right into the back of that nice blue car. Yeah, they go rolling in. Oh, they've just parked up next to the big bike truck. More stuff coming in, guys. Beautiful black Mustang rolling up. Got sort of red trim to it. Could you say that's black, or is it more of like a darkish green colour? Got some bugs rolling out as well by the looks of it. Beautiful part to them. Going to the other right side. Okay, I'm missing some stuff rolling up. You've got a ton of bikes coming up. Some gorgeous bikes going in as well. Your Indian Scouts going in. They've been told to carry on up, I think. You've got the lads directing traffic, all the bikes going out. Gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous bikes. Absolute gorgeous. See you in a minute.